Hey, what's good, my people? It's been a while since I've made a video like this. Specific requests from you guys, like my old drift and tuning content. So I'm gonna bring those back. This time around, someone requested for me to do all the car names in the most recent update of CPM2. So we'll be doing just that, including all the event cars and not just the ones on the main list. I did see a few of you guys asking for a garage tour to get a look at the different builds and designs I have on my accounts. I will do that very soon as well. So do let me know what requests you have down below in the comments and I'll try my best to make them come true. I'll get the cooking because you guys are the reason I can still do what I love and enjoy this game, I'm not gonna lie. Now let's get straight to naming all of these cars that we have in CPM2 so far, and correct me if I get any of them wrong. I might make mistakes. First off, let me get the event cars out of the way. The earlier event cars in the previous update were the Mustang GTD, the new Chevy Camaro, the Ford Focus, I don't have it in this garage, and I think this BMW M5 G90 was in that batch too for events. So that's the previous update events. This current update events are the cars that we get in are the Mazda RX-7 and that new Mercedes-Benz. I think it's the W124 500E. I think that's the full name. So those are the event cards for now. Let me know if I missed any, and let's get straight to the main list.
I got no reason to be sad. My most is complete with every emotion that I have. But you don't.
It's so strange. As long as you with me. From miles away, it's a freeway to outer space. If you give me it, baby, I swear, that will be alright. I'm asking the same thing all over again. I'm asking the same thing all over again. If we were a movie, then how would it end? Then how would it end?
Then how would it end? Then how would it end? Then how would it end?
Whatever you want, call it. 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 On and on.
If you got plans, let me go. Please let me know. If you don't please go. If you don't please go.
Yes, it's okay. Originally foundation. One.
Get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Love is not So I'm just gonna call you now and tell you how I feel. Maybe I'll get lucky somehow, and you'll come out tonight and let your wilder side consume ya. Come out tonight and baby, I just might seduce ya. Come out tonight. Love is Lord, it is I. Love is Lord. Love is Lord, it is I. Love is Lord. Just say you wanna, just say you wanna. Come out tonight. Just say you wanna, just say you wanna. Come on. So I'm just gonna call you now and tell you how I feel. Maybe I'll get lucky somehow, and you'll come out tonight. So I'm just gonna call you now and tell you how I feel. Maybe I'll get lucky somehow, and you'll come out tonight and let your wilder side consume ya. Come out tonight and baby, I just might seduce ya. Come out tonight.
Men det är ju väldigt många dagar sedan.
I run hard, I ride along. Give me some cake, cause I ain't got none.
Honorable mention is the Lamborghini Huracan that is only available in drag races, which is sad. But yeah, it's still in the game. We just technically can't drive it. And yeah, that's the car list for now. Let me know if I got them correct and which ones I should correct down below in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe.